Now, here's how you can hide notification preview on the lock screen of your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this can be found inside of your settings app when you go to the notifications section. And there are a few things you can control, whether your notifications generally appear on the lock screen. You can literally disable that, but we are interested in just the previews. And if you want to change it for all of the apps, you're going to see the previews right here. And we have three options. There is the always visible, then when unlocked only, and also never. So depends on which option you prefer. You can choose it to be the default option for all of your apps. However, if you want to change it specifically for some different app, for example, you only want to hide it in some messages app, right? You can scroll through the list below and there are going to be all of the apps installed on your device which can deliver notifications, and you can manage the settings for those. So even if you set at the default way of showing the previews like always, you can choose something different for a specific app. So as I said, for the messages or for WhatsApp or something, you can decide that in that app only, it will never be visible and the previews will never be shown. Other apps remain as they were before, but that is the only change that happened. But that is going to be about it from me. I really hope that I could help you out with this thing. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully I'm going to catch you later in the next videos as well. But subscribe so you never miss anything, and I'll talk to you later.